Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove background sound on TikTok. So let's say that you want to upload a video but you want to remove its original sound and add a TikTok music into it. So here what you're gonna do, so click on the plus icon and then choose a photo or video that you want to add, or you can just record it directly. Click on upload and choose your video. For example, I want to add this video, and then click on add sound. Okay, so in here, for example, I want to add this music. Click on the music, and then here click on the original sound here, and it will be removed. And you can also adjust the volume in here if you want to just reduce the original sound volume but don't want to remove. Just adjust the volume in here. But if you want to remove it completely from your video, just click on uncheck this original sound and it will be removed. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can remove background sound on TikTok. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.